Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game dialogue speed on the Monster Train 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Monster Train 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, during your gameplay, if you wish to increase or decrease the dialogue speed, then to do this, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then go into Settings. From the Settings menu, when you go into the gameplay option, you will see the dialogue speed. Click on the drop-down menu, and now you may choose from normal, fast, and instant. Choose from the various different presets, and then you can close this menu to go back into your game. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now you can continue to play your game with your chosen speed of dialogue right away. You may also change this at any point of time by following the same steps from the gameplay settings menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the dialogue speed on the Monster Train 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.